Okay, we're in the old Macy's at Fairfield Commons. It is now a Dillards. It's just opened, I believe, a couple weeks ago. The elevator is still a Schindler RT, and it looks exactly the same. They did not change this one bit. It still says Macy's on that certificate. They just put the elevator sign right there. Still got the zip tie as the phone strap thing. I believe this is the exact same cab. I don't think it's changed at all. RT buttons. Yep, same elevator that y'all seem to love.